Here we go. Hottest penny stocks part 2. We're talking about hot penny stocks to watch. You've got to go through the disclaimer to get to this information. The stock speculation is very risky. Don't trade with more than you can afford to lose. This is not investment advice, and it is not suitable for all investors. Now, penny stocks to watch. My favorite penny stocks to watch are the public shells that can be used for reverse mergers. Reverse mergers, you probably know, is when a private operating company is acquired by a shell or non-operating public company. This is done so the private company can go public fast. When there is a reverse merger, the shell may go from a small market value to a large market value in a few months. Look at the math. The shell may have a market value of $100,000 to $500,000. The shell shareholders usually get to keep 5 to 20% of the new company. The merged company can be worth millions. If the operating company is worth $10 million, the value of the merged company should be more than $10 million. So if the shell shareholders keep 5% of the total new company, they have stock worth $500,000 or 5 times their investment. Here's an example of an actual reverse merger I worked on. There was a lot of excitement about the technology that was put into the company. As you can see, unfortunately, it didn't pan out over the long run. But on the upside, there was a lot of money to be made if you were nimble enough to get out at the right time. You can see some examples of other stocks like this in my YouTube video, Hottest Penny Stocks Part 1. Be aware that there's large gains out there available, but they're very, very risky. Most of these OT shells will not merge in a given year. They have little or no public information out there. What's out there may be incomplete, misleading, or even deliberately false. As you saw in the chart, these things tend to rise and fall fast. They're speculative. You don't want to risk a lot of money in them. You can find them in the pink sheets in the OTC bulletin board. There's no substitute for educated, tedious research. Experience and knowledge can play a large dividends here. Ignorance is going to be very expensive, I guarantee you. You can subscribe to learn more here. You can go to my blog, investing-performance.com. You could read How to Pick Hot Reverse Merger Penny Stocks off Amazon. And I'm John Lux. I'm a trader, investment banker, former over-the-counter market maker, and attorney. You can reach me at lux.investor@gmail.com.